Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the line, baby, strip tonight.
Hi, what is up, love, and welcome to the Accounting Girl channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Karabo. If you're a returning subscriber, it's lovely to have you back. Before we get this video started, make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you really love the content. Make sure you like, make sure you share, and follow me on TikTok. Yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Let's get started. This is like my first video of the year, right? And I really just wanted to make a video that would be really helpful to a lot of people that are first years, because I realized that a lot of my audience are like first years, matriculants, and second years as well. Those are the people that really consume my content, and I do get asked a lot of questions about how I survived, like basically my first year, and how was I able to get high marks for management accounting as well as financial accounting. In first year, management accounting was my highest mark, which was 80%, and then I had two financial accounting modules. Financial accounting 1 I got 76, and then financial accounting 2 I got 69. I wasn't the best at financial accounting 2, but I think I did pretty decent in it. So I just want to give you guys advice on how I survived my first year and I was able to get distinctions. First year accounting, I really think is very doable. If you guys don't know, I go to UNISA, so this video will also be geared towards UNISA students as well as students from other unis. So if you're someone who struggles with the things that I've mentioned now, you can definitely watch the following YouTube channels, which really helped me a lot. Even they also help for second year level. I'm not so sure about third year level because I'm only doing my third year this year. So I have a paper with me where I wrote down, it's called Count Tats, Creative Solutions, as well as Espadria. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but my holy grail, I don't want to lie, was definitely Count Tats. I used Count Tats for everything. There's nothing I didn't use Count Tats for. Even till this day, if I am struggling, I will literally go to YouTube and I will say Count Tats, because Count Tats is the holy grail. I love that man. He explains everything to the T. He explains it to you like you're 5 years old, and he makes sure that you understand. That's what I really love about him. Creative Solutions is also really good for management accounting. They also have financial maths. If you didn't know, now you know. When you do accounting, your maths is going to be financial maths. That's what I did. It's like introduction to financial maths, because your second year and your third year are heavily based with using, let me show you the calculators, but this is going to be your holy grail, and you're going to need to learn how to use this calculator. This is not a normal calculator. This calculator retails for like 700 rand, quite expensive, but this is going to be your holy grail when you're doing financial maths. So familiarize yourself with tools that you can use for when you're stuck. For when you need extra help to explain stuff. Unfortunately, at UNISA, we don't have lectures that we go to. So if you are a UNISA student and you're watching this, please make sure you utilize Count Tats if you're studying accounting. First, yeah, that is your holy grail. That is your Bible. That's where you need to go. Another thing is, if you go to a different uni that is not UNISA, please go to your lectures. Listen to me. If you are doing a technical module like accounting, taxation, management accounting, auditing, please listen to me. Please go to your lectures. You need to go, because that is where they teach you the basics. Literally the basics. Yes, sometimes lecturers don't know how to teach. Guess what? Go to your tutorials. Go to your tutorials. I swear, when I went to tax, if I went to my lectures and I went to my tutorials, I would have done much better than I had already done. Okay? I'm just gonna put that out there. And I wasn't even studying a technical module. Okay? So please go to your lectures and please ask questions. Go to your tutors. Familiarize yourself with your tutor. If you study at UNISA and you're on second year level and third year level accounting, tax, management accounting, stats and all of that, please get a tutor. Please get a tutor. Like, if you need like me to refer you to someone, just leave a comment down below and I'll refer you to really, really good tutors who helped me. So that's another thing. Okay, another thing is we're gonna move on to note taking. Now that I've talked about going to your lectures and going to your tutors, it's very important for you to take notes. Okay, and this is the reason why I'm saying you must take notes, because you need to make sure that you make templates, right? I'm going to show you an example of what my book from last year looks like. Now that I've shown you what a template of my notes looks like, you need to make sure that you have templates of your financial statements. That's going to help you a lot and save you a lot of time. Familiarize yourself with the PPE. If I could go back to first year and if there was something I would just drill into my head, was familiarizing myself with the PPE. Guys, angifuni nje nokungasho PPE anyazi. Hey, I don't know PPE, and PPE is like something that counts like a chunk of marks when you're in your second year and in your third year. So please learn how to do your PPE note, because trust me, PPE is always there, right? And you're probably asking yourself, Garabo, how are you able to do so well without knowing how to do the PPE notes? This is where something very important comes in, and I feel like everyone should walk with this in their life. Please use the elimination method. So let's say you have a test that you're writing tomorrow, right? And you have 5 topics that you're writing about. All 5 topics are gonna come out and you know it, but in the 5 topics, you only know how to do 3 of those topics, right? Or maybe like 2.5 of those topics, but you don't know how to do the other 2. This is what I'm telling you to do. Leave the other 2 alone. Don't even focus on them, because you're just gonna stress yourself. What you can do is just focus on the 3 that you know and master them, and make sure that you do well, like you get 100% in those sections. If you do that, listen to me, you're good. You're good, okay? Like, but use the elimination method and you will be good, because there is no point in trying to study something that you're going to be writing tomorrow and you don't even know where to start. So just focus on the things that you know and hone your skills, and then come back to that other stuff later on. Literally, that's all you need to do. I'm glad if you've gotten to the end of the video, and I hope you really enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed making it. I pray you guys have a wonderful academic year. More passes to you achieving your goals. Bye.